I couldn't help but notice when you were in there lifting, you were making some pretty ridiculous noises. I just want to know the cause for that. What is that for?
What? Are you disrespecting me? I don't even know who you are. You're coming in and...
No, I'm not trying to. It just sounds ridiculous. It sounds like that. So I was just wondering what's the purpose.
Well, when you work out, you get yourself going. That's the sound you make.
Do you think you're stronger than me?
I know I'm stronger than you. I know him.
So what's up?
So why are you coming like this?